Most of us are getting nickel and dime to death by software subscriptions that never seem to end. You wake up and realize you are paying over $10 every single month just to store a grocery list or some random work thoughts in a digital notebook. It is honestly wild when you actually stop to look at the math. That is exactly why this quiet little underdog called UpNote is suddenly stealing users away from the heavy hitters. I spent some time living inside this app to see if the hype was real. It feels like finding a hidden gem in a world of bloated, over-engineered software. Most tools out there are either way too complex or they look like they were designed 20 years ago. This one actually manages to look great while giving you the power features you actually need. You get the nested notebooks that keep everything organized. You get focus mode when you just need to get the words out. It even has those bidirectional links that the productivity nerds are obsessed with lately. It works across every platform you can think of: Windows, Mac, Linux, and your phone. The sync is fast. It feels incredibly solid. But the real kicker is the price tag. For less than $40, you can own it forever. Compare that to the hundreds of dollars you would drop over a few years with the big names. It makes you feel like you are winning for once. Now it is not all sunshine and rainbows. If you need a team tool, you should walk away right now. This is a solo mission. There is no collaboration feature here at all. You also do not get a web app. You have to install the native version everywhere you work. If you are paranoid about privacy, keep in mind there is no end-to-end encryption. The data is encrypted while it moves and while it sits on their servers, but the company still holds the keys. For most people, that is fine. For others, it might be a deal breaker. What I love most is the story behind the code. It is just a two-person team in Hanoi building something they actually care about. There are no venture capitalists breathing down their necks. There is no pressure to add useless features just to hit a growth target. That lack of corporate bloat is exactly why it feels so nimble. It is rare to see a piece of software that stays this focused in the current era. It is not trying to be your calendar and your task manager and your database all at once. It just wants to be a great place to write and store information. If you are tired of the subscription treadmill, this is a path that actually makes sense. It is simple. It is fast. It is built for people who just want to get work done without the noise. You are getting a clean interface that does not get in your way. You are getting a tool that respects your wallet. It is a rare combination these days. Most companies want to lock you into a monthly payment for the rest of your life. They want you to pay for features you will never use. This app goes the opposite way. It gives you a solid foundation and then gets out of the way. It is the kind of software that makes you enjoy taking notes again. You do not have to worry about a sudden price hike or a massive redesign that ruins your workflow. It is steady, it is reliable, and it is yours. Once you pay that one-time fee, that peace of mind is worth more than any fancy feature or trendy integration. It is just you and your thoughts in a space that feels like it was actually designed for a human being. It is a smart pick for anyone who values their time and their budget.